What's up, YouTube, and welcome to another episode of Chris Glides. Today, again, I'm going to be working on this 2023 Harley-Davidson Road King, and I'm going to be installing this chrome cylinder cover that's going to just go right over here to cover up some of this area with the serialized number, and it's got like, you know, the black finish, and I'm just going to be adding more chrome accents to it. And to do that today, I'm going to be removing the shift linkage, just the front bolt and nut off of there. And then after that, I'll be removing this 1/2" nut that comes out, or 1/2" bolt that comes out, and it will bolt right back in place the same way. So quick install. Hang out with me for about 3 more minutes. All right, stand by. So these are the tools that I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using the 242 thread locker blue, the 11mm socket. I'm also going to be using this socket right here, and it is a 7/16. This is the supplied bolt and washer. And also I'm going to be using this small hex. It's a 5mm hex, and that's going to be to install this bolt. So these two are going to be used to first remove, to put on the front and back there to remove the shifter linkage. So step one, I'm just using 2 sockets to just go ahead and remove the bolt to remove the shifter link. So with that off and out of the way, the kit also comes with these little covers. They're gonna go over these nuts right here on both sides, so that when it's in place, it just hits on the back of there. And so next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and remove that 1/2" bolt. So to get that off, I'm using all hand tools, just an extended socket with the 1/2" socket and the extension piece. So with that bolt removed, I'm just inspecting it, looking at it, seeing what's on the end here. I don't see any Loctite on there, so I'm not gonna put any back on there. It wasn't something that was really tight. I'm looking at this Harley Davidson bolt, and I'm matching it up. I always like matching it up with the new bolts, just to kind of see, you know, what's longer and what everything is. And so I look at the grade of the bolt in comparison to what I'm installing, and as you can see, this has more threading on the supplied one than the factory one, and just trying to see what I really want to go with. I'm gonna go with the supplied one for this install. All right, so I put that I think it's a 5mm hex bolt on through there, and put the washer on, and now I'm gonna slip it back through here. I added just a little dab of Loctite, and I'm gonna go ahead and just fit this in place now. All right, so what I found that I had to do was, when I was installing this, I had to loosen up this chrome primary case cover that I installed on the last install. I had to loosen it up just a bit so that this would drop in place. So this is something that you want to install first before putting this on, or I mean, like I did, I just had to loosen it up here, 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 and here. So 4 points that you had to loosen, and it just dropped right in. So now I just need to tighten that one center bolt up, tighten those back up, and torque them back up to spec, and put the shifter linkage back on, and we're in business. So stand by. So I'm tightening this back up with the 5mm hex, and just hand tightening it, because it wasn't on there really snug. It was on there snug, but it wasn't on there like super tight. And but I recommend you checking your torque specs when installing this piece. And it's looking good. Look at all that chrome so far. Next thing I'm doing is I'm putting my shift link back in place, and washer nut, I'm gonna put some Loctite on that piece for sure. Put a little dab on there. Guys, this part was super easy to put on, and it's made by VPTMC. It was a part that was that I bought on Amazon. It was $33.99. I will leave the link in the description area. And this last piece, you can see the video for that. That one's by Kuryakin. And I just wanted it next day, so I ordered it. It's way in the back there. So, you know, it's chrome. They have different companies that make them. Zero makes one, all kind of different ones. They make them, but just very basic install, 1 bolt. But if you're gonna put this one piece on, I'll recommend putting that first part on first and then doing it. But it wasn't a big deal. All you had to do was unscrew those 4 bolts, just loosen them up a little bit to get it back there. So that's it. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this episode of Chris Glides. Thanks for hanging out and watching this quick, short video. I'm putting that little chrome piece on. I know it's just 1 bolt, but hey, you need something to watch, right? But if you're watching this how-to video, thanks for coming by to check out my video. I know there's plenty of other content on there that you can find, and good luck with your chrome build projects for your Milwaukee 8. Thanks again for watching. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, share to a friend, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay tuned, because who knows where we're gonna go next.